Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we show you how to automate emails in ClickFunnels. This is a great way to follow up with leads, nurture your audience, and boost conversions, all on autopilot. Let's get started. On the ClickFunnels dashboard, we go to the workspace settings in the lower left part of the dashboard. Once we are there, we click on it. On this page, we will find the System Emails option on the left side of the dashboard. When we click this option, we can see our automated emails. ClickFunnels can automate emails like commission earned notifications, affiliate approved emails, and new affiliate welcome emails. These are sent out automatically whenever a new affiliate joins, gets approved, or earns a commission. We can also edit these emails by clicking the gear button. From here, we can set the email to default if we prefer. We can also enter a subject line. For example, "You made an affiliate." This can be changed to whatever works best. We have the option to use a custom template, or we can edit one by clicking this option. Here, we can update the subject line, add content, drop in images, and edit the body of the email. We can write a greeting like "Hi Customer" and customize everything, including the fonts, to match our style. Once we are done, we simply click Publish and Accept. Our email automation for commission earned is now set up. And that's how we automate emails in ClickFunnels. With this in place, we can save time and stay connected with our audience without any extra effort.